हेलो दोस्तों। क्यों चौंक गए इस चार्ट को देखकर? जी हाँ, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक फ्रेश गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी की जो मार्केट ने हमें अभी अभी दी है। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट और दोस्त, एक आम ट्रेडर, और आप देख रहे हैं ट्रेड इन्वेस्टर, जहां हम बात करते हैं बेसिक्स टू ब्रिलियंस की। ये स्टॉक ब्रेकआउट के बिल्कुल एज पर है और लगता है प्राइस एक्शन का धमाका होने वाला है। आज हम इस ब्रेकआउट को डिकोड करेंगे, टेक्निकल से लेके कंप्लीट फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस। तो बिना किसी देरी के चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो और देखते हैं क्या इस स्टॉक के ब्रेकआउट के पीछे का असली राज। हेलो हेलो हेलो, हाय दोस्तों। दिस इज़ योर होस्ट एंड दोस्त, आपका अपना आर्म ट्रेडर, और आप देख रहे हैं ट्रेड इन्वेस्टर। तो आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं बेसिकली दो इम्पॉर्टेंट पिक्स, एंड इफ़ यू स्टे ट्यून टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो आई विल शेयर two additional picks, although I've carried out in-depth analysis of only the first two stocks because the remaining two stocks I didn't find their uh, fundamentals that attractive. However, the price action which I could see in those two stocks वो बहुत ज़बरदस्त था. So without any delay, let's start. So friends, the first stock is Sharda Crop Chemical Limited. And before we move on to the chart, let me just go over its fundamentals and what kind of company is this, and then we'll see what is the price action taking place in the company. So Sharda Crop Chemical Limited is a global exporter of agrochemical and non-agro products like conveyor belts and rubber sheets. This diversified export-led model shields it from domestic agri-dependence and provides global revenue visibility. So, as of now, market cap stands at 8,000 CR, a mid-cap company nearing its 52-week high, indicating strong market interest. The stock has more than doubled in a year, with its 52-week high-low being around 926 and 440. The stock is now testing its all-time high, a classic breakout setup. The stock P is around 27.2, valued at a discount to its peers, indicating its relative underpriced despite solid fundamentals. PEG ratio is around 3.15. This suggests that stock may be overvalued relative to its earnings growth. Caution warranted on aggressive upside unless growth accelerates. Price to book is around 3.31. Slightly expensive compared to asset base, but acceptable for a high margin export player. If we talk about ROCE, which stands at 16%, although a 10-year average is around 22, and the company uses this ROC around 16% signifies that company uses capital efficiently, but with slight moderation in recent years, still above average for mid caps. Efficiency is a bit slowly receding, a sign that incremental returns on capital are compressing. However, ROE stands at 14.6%. Long-term value creation remains respectable even with the recent moderation. If we talk about growth and profitability, sales growth for 5 years is around 16% CAGR. Solid, steady top-line growth supports the premium valuation to some extent. Profit after tax is around 304 CR. Stable profitability matching well with the asset-light nature of the business. Cash flow from operations is around 604 CR. It is almost double the net profit, indicates excellent cash conversion and earnings quality. If we talk about the financial health and ownership, debt to equity ratio is almost zero. Huge strength in volatile global markets. Although promoter holding is around 74.8% with 0% pledged, very high promoter skin in the game, showing long-term confidence. FIA and DI holding moderate institutional interest, with the holding of almost 4.69%. There is potential room for increased participation if growth improves. So overall, if I have to give a final verdict and why this stock is breakout worthy, in a nutshell, it's testing lifetime highs backed by robust fundamentals and strong cash flows, trading cheaper than industry peers on PE basis, yet delivering solid returns and growth. Debt free with high promoter stake, which suggests confidence and long-term stability.
Global agrochemical demand rebound in addition with the India's export boost will result in strong tailwinds. A slight caution on PEG ratio, but cash generation and growth will keep the upside narrative intact. This was so far so good about the fundamentals of company. Let us see what chart has got. So if we look at a broader time frame, basically at a monthly time frame, we can see that the company got listed in around September 2014. Thereafter, the company price movement have been on a growth trajectory, and it has been within this channel of this parallel consolidation channel, which as you can see. Now what I could see with the chart is that for almost 2 years this accumulation was happening. This accumulation was happening from August 22 to October 24, and you can see these volume spurts which were there in between. Similar movement was also seen along with the volumes which were visible. So overall, price action supported by the volume, it got accumulated for over 2 years. Thereafter, stock made a rally of almost 2% in less than 2 months. Then further a consolidation was there for from January 25 to May 25, and in last 7 weeks it has given almost 73% return. Guys, 73% return. On daily time frame, what I could see is that it is heading to break out of this channel, this long-term parallel consolidation channel which we could see. And after giving this rally of 63%, it consolidated. So after forming that flag and pole pattern, it break out of this flag, and it is further given this strength duly supported by these volumes which we could see over here. So if somebody asks me, my opinion is that if Sharda Crop Limited is able to give a decisive breakout from this channel, then we might see a really good rally in the upcoming days. This was about Sharda Crop Chemical. Let's see our second pick. So guys, our second pick for today is Lalpath Lab. Before we move on to the chart, let us see its fundamentals. So if we talk about Dr. Lalpath Lab, overall Dr. Lalpath Lab is one of India's top consumer healthcare brands in diagnostic services with a pan-India presence. This nationwide scale gives the company a competitive moat in a fragmented diagnostic market and ensures strong brand trust in preventive and diagnostic healthcare. It's a mid-cap healthcare stock, and presently the market cap stands at 23,000 CR. Currently trading 22% below its 52-week high, which was at 36.54, offering potential re-rating opportunity. Fundamentals aligned with technicals. Price has rebound from its lows. 52-week low made was 2294. It is now approaching a key resistance zone and potential breakout to be watched for. Stock P stands at 48.9, while industry is also 48.9. Valuation exactly at par with industry. It is fairly valued, no excessive premium or discount. PEG ratio around 2.93 indicates premium valuation. when compared to its growth rate. Investors are paying for consistency in brand power, not explosive growth. Price to book is around 11 or slightly on higher scale. It reflects brand strength, although the higher price to book sometimes reflect the strength or robustness of company. Over here, it reflects brand strength, light asset base, and investor confidence in its long-term cash flows. If we talk about profitability and efficiency, its return on capital employed stands at 28.9% and ROE is around 24.3%. Outstanding capital efficiency, every rupee 100 invested generates 25 in profit. Signals quality management and strong margin business. Declining ROC trend over time, but still among the highest in the healthcare sector. For ROE, excellent long-term shareholder value creation, consistent and above industry average. If you talk about cash flows, 5-year sales growth have been around 13.1 CAGR, not hyper growth but stable and reliable. Strong customer loyalty in diagnostic supports recurring revenue. PAT stands at 489 CR, while the cash flow from operations at 569 CR. So cash flows are healthy and exceed net profits, a positive sign for earnings quality and liquidity. Financial health and ownership. Debt to equity is at 0.07. Virtually debt-free. Stock sheet gives it financial flexibility in competitive expansions. Promoter holding is around 53.9%. With 0% pledged, higher promoter confidence and stable ownership structure is visible in the stock. FIA holding is around 23.9%, while DIA holding is around 15%. Very high institutional interest shows long-term trust and credibility in business fundamentals. My overview on this and why Dr. PathLabs is a stock to watch out is it's rebounding from 52-week lows with a steady uptrend. Potential breakout if volumes support and strong ROC and ROE numbers, healthy cash flows, low debt signifies high quality compounder. Institutional confidence along with the national branding and wide presence support long-term valuations. While growth is moderate, consistency and efficiency justify the premium valuation. It's a defensive sector along with the brand leadership will result in attractive risk reward for long-term investors. So this was so far with respect to Dr. Lal PathLabs fundamentals. Let us see what the chart is. So friends, if we look at a broader time frame, stock has been a growth story and consistently compounder. Initially, the movement was not much in the stock from 2016, and it saw a price movement from 800 to 1600, almost 200% in around 50 months. So almost 5 years, it gave 111% returns. Now, this is where the turnaround took place from March 20 to August 21. In this 1.5 year, stock underwent a bull run and it made a 200% rally. Thereafter, a correction of 55% was seen, and on a broader time frame, it made inverted head and shoulder pattern, which was broken after March 24, and it successfully broke out in June 2024 last year. So this midterm to long-term demand zone which has been formed is where the current price action taking place. In March 2023, when the stock started rebounding from 1800s, this was the base which was formed, after which we could see that the stock started making higher high and higher low, thereby signaling that stock is rebounding from its recent lows, which was around 18, which was around 1762. So after making this higher high, higher low pattern, we could see that it has taken support around its 200 EMA on a weekly time frame basis, and on a daily time frame basis, it is signaling that it is taking support at this long-term demand zone. And for very long time, this share has been in this price range generally of 27.28 to 28.50. What I'm appreciating is that stock is likely to take support as this long-term demand zone, and it is going to see a rebound from current prices. If it convincingly gives a breakout above this range of 29.35 to 29.80, then we can see a fresh rally and towards its all-time high of around 36.50. This was my take on Sharda Crop Chemical Limited and Dr. Lal Path Lab. Next 30 to 40 seconds, I'm going to show two more additional picks which I had carried out, but I did not go into much details because of the lesser attraction which I could see in the fundamentals of those two stocks. So the third stock was Engineers India Limited. Growth story is immaculate. A classical accumulation which was there for 3 years, and after which a bull rally of 270% was seen from May 23 to July 2024. And a long-term supply zone was formed around 270-273. What we are witnessing is that currently it is at a mid-term supply zone of around 245 to 250. If it gives a convincing breakout above this zone of 245 to 250, it might retest its long-term demand zone of 270-273. Although for your info, I would like to bring out that on 4th of June, even Money Control had given a price target of 250. 2nd June was trading around 230. So Money Control had given a target of 250 when it was trading at 230, and as I mentioned, my final verdict is if it convincingly crosses 245 to 250 region, then it might retest its long-term demand zone. So this was our third pick, and the fourth one was this. Although it's a small cap stock, and it's a small cap, but I did not go into much detail because return on capital employed has been over a longer period lesser than 10. So I did not find it much attractive. That was all for today. I hope you guys will like my content, and if you like my detailed analysis, I request please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That will provide a great boost to my content as well as myself and for my channel as well. With this, signing off. Thank you and jai hind.
हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपको कभी लगता है कि इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट सिर्फ एक धांधली का खेल है, जैसे सबके पास कोई सीक्रेट सॉस है और आप बस स्टॉक्स को उनके हाई पे खरीद कर लो पे बेच रहे हो? क्या आपको हर दिन शॉर्ट टिप्स और महंगे कोर्सेज से बॉम्बार्ड किया जा रहा है जो चांद तारे तोड़ने का वादा तो करते हैं बट मिलता कुछ नहीं? हाय एवरीवन, मैं हूं आपका अपना रिटेलर दोस्त और स्वागत है आपका ट्रेड इन्वेस्टर पर, आपका वन स्टॉप सॉल्यूशन इन्वेस्टिंग और ट्रेडिंग के लिए। हमारा मिशन सिंपल है, आप जैसे हर इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट रिटेलर को एम्पावर करना और सही राह पर कदम से कदम मिलाकर साथ चलना। हम आपको इतना नॉलेज और कॉन्फिडेंस देना चाहते हैं कि आप इस मार्केट को सक्सेसफुली नेविगेट कर सके और फिर कभी भी पेड टिप्स या महंगे कोर्सेज पर डिपेंड न करना पड़े। मैं आपकी सिचुएशन समझता हूँ और सच में समझता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं खुद भी इन्हीं प्रॉब्लम से गुजरा हूँ। मेरी अपनी स्टॉक मार्केट जर्नी 2017 में शुरू हुई थी और विश्वास करिए एक बहुत ही हम्बल बिगिनिंग थी। मैंने भी काफी गलतियां की, उन्हीं ट्रैप्स में फंसा और वही फ्रस्ट्रेशन महसूस की, लेकिन धीरे धीरे लगातार सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट से बहुत सारी बुक्स पढ़ के
और घंटों वैल्यूएबल पॉडकास्ट और वीडियोस देखकर मैंने प्रोग्रेस करना शुरू किया। मैंने सीखा कि असली में क्या काम करता है और सबसे जरूरी क्या नहीं करता। ठीक वही चीज हम आपको अचीव करने के लिए यहाँ है, ताकि आप मार्केट के नए सोल्जर नहीं, स्मार्ट सोल्जर बन पाए। ये स्ट्रेटेजी अंडरस्टैंडिंग और इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजंस लेने की बात है, ना कि बस आंख बंद करके दूसरों को फॉलो करने। अब एक छोटा बट इंपॉर्टेंट डिस्क्लेमर, मैं सेबी रजिस्टर्ड एनालिस्ट नहीं हूँ। इस चैनल पर शेयर की गई सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन सिर्फ एजुकेशनल पर्पसेस के लिए है। कोई भी फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन लेने से पहले प्लीज अपनी अच्छी रिसर्च जरूर करें या किसी क्वालिफाइड फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर से सलाह लें। अगर आप स्टॉक मार्केट में स्मार्ट सोल्जर बनना चाहते हैं और अपने फाइनेंशियल फ्यूचर का कंट्रोल लेना चाहते हैं, तो उस लाइक बटन को प्लीज दबाइए। इस वीडियो को उन सभी के साथ शेयर करो जिन्हें इसकी जरूरत है, और डेफिनेटली हमारे चैनल यानी ट्रेड इन्वेस्टर को सब्सक्राइब करो। आपका सपोर्ट सच में हमें वैल्यूएबल और फ्री कंटेंट लाने के लिए मोटिवेट करेगा।